morning, class 5. So today the continuation of numeration. Okay, today I am going to teach you this numeration Indian place value system. Okay, I had taught you what last time? Difference between digits and number, place and place values. I hope you have understood that. Then that 6-digit number, highest, biggest, then smallest 2-digit number, smallest 5-digit number. You have learnt that, isn't it? Now you know if it is biggest 2-digit number, it is 99. If you add 1, it will be 100. That means 3-digit number, but smallest 3-digit number. Okay, so like that we had done till crores, 10 crores. We have done it. Now how to write those in words? Okay, so there are the first one is Indian place value system. So in India we use lakhs and crores, thousand, lakhs, crores. Okay, we use these terms in India. So here this is the place value chart, and you have ones, tens. Here you know places, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. You have done this till here in class 4, isn't it? Now 2 more steps, crores and 10 crores. That's all. Okay, this is the syllabus of class 5. Okay, so here I have told you in class 4 last year, that these group leaders are called places. These group leaders are called places. Like this types. These group leaders are called places. Sorry. These are called periods. Okay. Periods. Periods. These group leaders are called periods. And you have learned till lakhs, 3. Till 3 periods in class 4. Now one more is crores. Okay. These are group leaders' name. Okay. And group leader, the term for group leader in mathematics is periods. Okay. So first period, second period, third period, fourth period. Okay. So ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. Don't get confused with these. Okay. Don't say ones, tens, 100. These are periods. Okay. Now under these periods you have 3 students. Under these monitors, under these group leaders, 3 students are there. Okay. In one's case, only in one's it has 3 students or 3 places. Okay. You know these are called places. I have told you in the beginning. Now these 3 places belong to ones, and after that all have only 2 students or places. Okay. So other periods have 2 places. Only ones has 3 places. Remember, ones, tens, 100 belongs to one's period. Okay. Then 1000 and 10,000. These 2 places belong to thousands period. Okay. And lakhs and 10 lakhs belong to lakhs period. And crores and 10 crores belong to crores period. Okay. So clear? 3 periods. These ones, tens, 100 belong to ones. And these 2, 1000, 10,000 belongs to thousands. Lakh, 10 lakh belongs to lakhs. Crores, 10 crores belong to crores. So these are places and the leaders are called periods. Okay. And how many? Here you counted how many places, periods were there? 1, 2, 3, 4. But here places in Indian place value chart, places 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 places. Okay. 9 places. Now how to write these? These are in words. How to write in numbers? Yeah, 1, 10 only, isn't it? 1 and 0. 1 and 1, 0. Then 100, words, left hand side 110 will increase. Okay, here in ones only because it is individual number, so only 1 2 these one digit you have to write in ones. But after that, zero, journey of zeros starts. Okay, it increases. 1, then 2 zeros, 3 zeros, 4 zeros, 5 zeros, 6 zeros, 7 zeros, 8 zeros. So 10 crore has 8 zeros and 1 is also there. So with 1 it will be 9 digits. Okay, so these are how to write in numbers. Then I have given this number out here. Write in words using Indian place value chart. By using this chart, how to write in words. Okay, if you are given this chart or if you have made this chart, how to use it to write in words? You just make one column, okay, like this. Then put the numbers inside. Like here, 5 goes to 1's place, 7 goes to 10's place, 2 goes to 100's place, 6 goes to 1000, 4 goes to 10,000's place, 3 goes to lakh's place, 1 goes to 10 lakh's place, 8 goes to crores place, and 3 goes to 10 crores place. Okay, and just looking at this chart, you can write in words. Okay, now how to use that? You know, these are periods. So these are periods. So the ones till here, ones, limit is till here. Okay, and thousands, limit is till here. Okay, and lakhs also, limit is till here and crores here. Okay. Now you can, when you read or write in words, crores, you have to say it together. Crores has 2 digits, 3 and 8. So how do you read it or write it? You will say 38 crores, not 3, 10 crores, 8 crores, not like that. You have to say it together and write periods name. Okay? So 38 crores. So 38 crores. Now next is lakh. Lakhs has 1 and 3. 1 and 3. So it's say it together or write it together. So it will be 13. 1 and 3, 13. So 13 lakhs. 13 lakhs. And next is thousands. 1,000, 4 and 6. It won't be 4, 10,000, 6,000. You have to say it together. So it will be 46,000. 46,000. Okay? Then you know the story after that. 275. 275. Okay? So altogether 38 crores, 13 lakhs, 46,275. Okay? But my question to you is, wherever you go, you take that chart with you to write in words or to read. You won't take, isn't it? Or you will make chart and put the number inside and write? No. There should be a method, isn't it? So this is the method. First, what you have to do? Put commas. But you should know this, places and periods. You should know its order. Okay? So ones, 10s, 100. Thousands, 1,000 and 10,000. Lakhs, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Crores, crores and 10 crores. You should remember that. Okay? Then, year 3, year 2, year 2, year 2. Remember that. Okay? Now, this question is given. What you have to do is, this is called comma method. Okay? You can say comma method. First put comma. Now, according to this, like this only, you have to put comma. In first section, how many places were there? 3 places, isn't it? So, 1, 2, 3. That means ones, tens, 100. Comma. Okay? Then after that you have thousands. 1,000 and 10,000. So 1,000, lakhs. So lakh, 10 lakh, comma. Whatever remains, that will be included in crores, isn't it? So if 2 digits, it will be 10. The last number will be 10 crores, and if it is one digit only after that, then it will be in crores. Okay, it will be 8 crores. But if there is another number here in 10 crores, you have to say it together. 78 crores, 29 lakhs, okay, and 56,000, and 324. Okay, so once again, I'll tell you once again. First, how to put comma. Okay, from ones period you have 3 places. So start from there. Ones, tens, 100. So ones, tens, 100. Then comma. Then 1,000, 10,000, comma. Then lakh, 10 lakh. Till here you are done in class 4. You have 2 more now. This is crore and 10 crore. So you have to say it together. 78 crores, 29 lakhs, 56,324. Okay. Now, what if there are zeros in the number? Okay. Now, how to do it? Here, this is the question. I have put the commas already, but I'll tell you how to do it. Again, same thing. Ones, tens, 100, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma. Then you have to put comma like this. Okay. Then after that, lakh, 10 lakh, then comma. Then remaining is in crore. So crore, 10 crores. So 40 crores. Now 09 is in where? It is in lakhs. Now 09, you got 09 in math. That means you got 9 in math. Isn't it? 0 is not counted. You got 00009. That means you got 9 only. Isn't it? But that 0, if you keep it in front of that 9, after 9, if you wrote it, then it will be 90. Isn't it? 09 means 9, and 0 if it comes this side, it will be 90, 90. 900, 900, 900, 9,000. It has a value, isn't it? But if you put at the back of 0, the back of 9, it will be 09. That means only 9. Remember that. Okay. So there is no digit, no number in lakhs place, 10 lakhs place. So don't say anything about it. Okay. So 09 becomes 9 lakhs. And now 0 is here, isn't it? After number. So 70 becomes 70. So it is in 1,000. So it will be 70,000. And 8 is in hundreds place. So 800. But after that, no tens, no ones. And remember, ones is also called unit space. Don't get puzzled. What is unit space? It's ones only. This place only, remember. Then it became 800. 40 crores, 9 lakhs, 70,000 and 800. Okay. Now next number is, it's about 0 only again. So, but the method is same. You count from right hand side, not from left hand side. Some students do like this. They will count from here, 1, 10, 100. They will put comma. That will be wrong. Always start from right hand side, this side. Okay. So 1, 10, 100, comma. Then 1,000, 10,000. Then lakh, 10 lakh. And remaining is only one digit, so it will be in 1 crore. Okay. So it will be 8 crores because there is no 10 crore here. So it will be 8 crores. Then together 27 lakhs. 05 means what I said? 5. 5,000 and no hundreds, no tens. So it's directly what? Ones means it is 3. Just 3. So 8 crores, 27 lakhs, 5,000 and 3. Okay? And I forgot to write this one. This ones, tens, hundreds, all these are called places. Places. Okay? So I have taught you how to use the Indian place value chart to write in words or read it, or this one is easier, isn't it? So commas, by putting commas, you can start from here and put comma. Remember, first this side will be always 3 digits. So after 3 digits you have to put comma. Then after that only 2, 2, 2. Okay. So I have taught you how to write in words also. Here if there are zeros, how to write it. That also I have showed you. Okay. Here these are periods and these are places. Now your work is to watch the video and try to understand it. Okay. Don't see other things in mobile. This one, take it seriously. Okay. So see this, watch it, and I am going to set the homework. Okay. And do it in your copy, those homeworks. So now in the beginning only, if you are serious, you will understand. But if you take it very lightly, then you will have problem afterwards. Okay. So now only be serious, because it's easy only. Till here you have done in class 4 only 2 steps. Okay. So you should learn how many zeros in places, in these places. Okay. You learn that also, and especially spellings. I forgot to tell you spellings. Spellings is also very important. Here, how to write 1000. You don't know the spellings. You lakhs, crores. That spellings also. Some of the students, they don't know. So you have to learn those words also. Spellings also. Or spellings of those words also. Okay. So I'll send the homework. Do it in copy and send it to me. Okay. Thank you.